Play. Whoa. I don't know, I'd have to see it again. You can see it better on camera. Looks pretty sharp, don't mind the light right there.
Watch for a bright, shining light. Only on HBO in 1998.
Oh, sweet. 1998.
Next on HBO.
I wonder what TV they watched this on.
The Wild had discovered himself. Charles Martin Smith and Brian Dennehy star in Never Cry Wolf. Next on HBO. Don't miss the lively show on
Focus.
Dennis Miller Live.
30% more live than the leading live program. Hello, Narcs. Dennis Miller here, inviting you to join me on my next show as we
I'll digitize this. I'll make sure to.
So find a vein, tie it off, and hit the plunger for an injection of pure unadulterated hilarity. It's the shoot up over shooting up.
It's another chance to see the Emmy Award-winning Dennis Miller live. If you missed him Friday night, catch him again on Sunday night.
Join me and my guest Bill Mock as we bust the subject of the war on drugs on the next Dennis
Looks
Miller
more red on camera. Flesh tones in real life are more
I don't know
accurate.
when gets her creativity or her acting ability. You never really know it.
Arturo Gatti.
Short right hand and stops Gatti.
Always on the brink of disaster.
This is awesome. I love watching these old tapes people recorded.
Here's Arturo Gatti.
He pulls victory from the clutches of defeat.
Patterson wobbled by that one. Out he goes.
But can he withstand the remarkable force of Angel Manfredi? Gatti versus Manfredi, live tonight at 9:45 on HBO.
Before the era of triple drums, before the glamour and the heartbreak of big-time contracts, there was the wind.
Skating backwards, fast, and having the wind blowing your hair. Just maybe like flying.
The innocence.
We were truly amateur.
If you're into VHS tapes, you should try to look for a small CRT unless you're younger and they scream at you. The high volt, not the high voltage, whatever it is.
A diary of...
The following movie is rated PG.
Cool, free movie. Oh, nudity. Graphic violence. Not graphic, whatever. It's nudity in Disney movies? Well, seen enough of that.